Hello, dudes from the internet or women. I am not assuming genders. So I'm going to play the new update on Fortnite. Oh, I'm in someone's server now. I always die. I'm in someone's server and it's so cool. I like it. Look! It's so weird, but yet funny. Boing. Run. It's fast! I think I'm the only one here. Yeah, I'm the only one here. Look, it's like an obstacle course. I accidentally pressed Q. It's like an obstacle course. My God, what is this? Okay. I'm not gonna ask. Okay. I am completely lost. Whoa, that was cool. Oh, I don't even need to run past them. It's like a ping pong game. No, not a ping pong game. Like one of those games where you have to control the balls. Well, make sure the ball doesn't get blasted to the hole, or you'll lose. And you have these things that bounce the ball all around. I forgot what it's called. And for some reason, I'm about to die. And, oh crap! I almost fell. Okay, I have no idea where to go. It's like a maze. Oh, here's the beginning where I went. It was in there, but then went here, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. Whoa, no. Okay. Kept on glitching around because this is a new this is a new update. It came out yesterday. I'm a tad bit late. But yeah, it's really fun. Should go up there after. But I'm going to show you what I showed you at the beginning. It's really cool. If you didn't catch it. See that? Now I have to get back up there. I can just jump up. No, I can't. I can jump up here and then jump up there. Yeah. Oh no. Darn it. Ugh. I have to run all the way over there. Slowly coming. No, I don't care. Let me destroy you. Why can't I destroy it? Can I destroy anything? No! I need to move this. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Oh my God, this sucks. You can't destroy any of these. How are you able to create stuff if you can't destroy anything? And you don't have any blocks or material. You need to destroy things to get material. Storm arrives in 3 hours. Insane, right? I have to wait 3 hours. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I'm back at the beginning. which is good. Let's head up. I wanted to land. I didn't land over here yet. I should probably check it, and then I can go back there. Yeah, seems like a plan. To run as fast as we can. We can't catch you because we're slow. Because we keep on playing Fortnite all day. So, never mind. That's just me. But I don't play Fortnite regularly. I play it sometimes, but not regularly. No. Checked out early. But no. Oh, that sucks. I have to join a different server. 1 second. Here's my person dancing. Okay, I'm technically back. You just now need to join a server. Because look. It's also really glitchy and you can't move around properly. It's really glitchy. You can't walk around properly. Give me materials. Let's see, Griffey's age, impulsive rage. Race. Team build. Ready, team build. You know, I'm playing hide and seek. I'll have to be a second. I had to adjust the camera. I'm so weak. Okay. There's nothing you can do, really. Oh. I don't know what to do. There's no one here. Yeah, let's go to the normal game. Whatever. Fortnite Battle Royale. Woo! Look at my person. I got the baby. Hey, Kim. Yes. Yes, I have the baby. Okay, I'm sorry. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm sincerely sorry for that cringe. Yeah. Okay. We have. Oh. Just destroy the snow. Is there footprints? No, there's no footprints. No. It would be awesome if there was footprints. This one you can break stuff. Oh, I didn't finish. How do you even thank the bus driver? Go, 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 go. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I'm heading to the snow biome. Takes a long time. Oh crap. It feels so different. Which I know it isn't, because I keep on playing this game. Done new game. Done. Done. Good game. Good game, good game, good game, good game. Shoot, 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 shoot. No! Darn you, boy! Go! No! So it's awful shooting or I'm amazing at dodging. It's the first one. I'm terrible at dodging. And catching. Is the plane gone? Okay, it sure is. I actually hope. Oh crap. Now who's swearing on our Fortnite Christian server? You can't even kill people. The bit is there. Stop killing people. This is a Fortnite Christian server. Fortnite is meant for killing. We don't care about you, Drax. We care about you as much as we care about if your grandma is dead. A lot. Because if you're my friend, that means we care about you. It's loud. Yeah. Get more ammo. I'm indicating that where I am. Indicating is a long word. I don't even think I'm using it correctly. I don't even think I'm using it whatever I said correctly. You know what? Let's die in a hole. Kill me. You know what? Let's just leave the match. That's it for today. Bye, guys. I don't even care about this match anymore. Bye-bye.